Day 2 of the build. Got stuff moved outside. Got this cleaned up a little from yesterday. Still got the bottom piece still all clamped up and weighed down. PL says it takes about 24 hours to set, so I'm going to give it pretty close to 24 hours. Got the miter saw back up and running because today I'm working on well, I'm going to finish off the floor when that dries, but in the meantime I'm working on the short walls and the soffits for the trailer. And I've got this is the actual floor. This piece is actually going down. We're not going to be walking on that piece, and it's only going to come as far as this. It was free. It's only going to come as far as here, or maybe probably more or less right here, because that's going to be the living quarters. This is going to be storage sort of thing. And started cutting some boards there. Got that stickered there. So anyway, I'll give some progress as I'm moving along. I came back in to put my batteries on charge. I'll swap out now in a second. I have my two knee walls, my two short walls for the outside. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to install a couple of 2x6s in here, about a foot in from each edge, and this is will go carry the weight of the trailer. And here are the final knee walls. Right here. Done. And for the end of day 2, got the short knee walls completed. Got the soffit completed. Cut the floor and scuffed it up ready for PL. Where it's the end of the day, I'm just going to leave this clamped up until tomorrow. So tomorrow the first thing I'll do is unclamp this, screw it underneath, and then insulate, put the floor on, and go from there. Thanks for watching.